Hey fellow entrepreneurs, I firstly want to say that I'm sorry for the cheesy title of this video. I know that most of those videos titled on YouTube, earn $5,000 a month while you eat, sleep and poop passively, is usually 90% of the time clickbaity and false. But however, in this video, I'm going to show you that passive income is completely real. It exists, and I'm going to show you proof. So I know you get a lot of those motivational speakers out there that believe there's no such thing as passive income, there's always hard work required, and that there's no magic potion course that will ever get you passive income. I'm going to prove them wrong, as passive income is completely true. So passive income is basically earning an income without doing the work actively. So you could be on holiday, you can be chilling, you could be traveling, you can be earning at the same time while doing all of those things. But on top of this, I'm also going to state that this is not going to be a magic potion or a magic button that you suddenly press and you're suddenly going to start earning $4,000 a month. That is not going to be the case here. So there is going to be a little bit of work and effort required in the beginning. But if you are very serious about building an online business and building a sustainable passive income over time, not from day one, not instantly, not this magic potion shit, it's going to consist of consistency, volume, and a little bit of effort. So this is the kind of content that you should be watching if you want to do this. So what I'm also going to do is, just because I really appreciate you guys' support a lot as well, I hope you've been finding these videos very valuable. I'm going to give you a paid ebook course on how you can boost your online business and really get a lot of passive income with email marketing and collecting emails with the sales funnel ebook that I purchased, that I'm going to leave the download link, and I'm going to teach you how to get that later in this video. So make sure that you keep watching with me, that you can understand how to get this. But for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Jay. I'm an online entrepreneur, software and web developer from South Africa. And on this channel, I teach you daily methods on how you can build online businesses. But for those of you who don't know who I am, I'm just going to show you some of my earnings from the strategy. So the tool that I've been using to get passive income, and I'm going to explain to you why this tool has done so well and how you can replicate this as well. You don't necessarily need to replicate these kind of figures, but I mean, you can start off small. I've been using this tool for quite some time now, a couple of years, and you can see right here my monthly earnings estimate, earnings for the next 30 days, 4391.11 USD. That's completely passive, literally while I sleep, while I drink water, while I do nothing. That is what I'm earning from efforts put in the past, which is a very powerful concept. Overall, I've earned about $12,300 with this specific tool. Just to refresh, to show you, this is my live dashboard and not a screenshot, because you do get those people out there that, you know, if you don't show proof in the description or in the video, this obviously is not true. So there you can see this is a live dashboard. And also just to show you some leads that I am getting in this model. If I scroll down, you can see I'm just going to cover out their names and emails, as you cannot see that. And you can see over here, it goes all the way page 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 and beyond, all the way to like page 100. With all the leads I'm getting in this business. This is just here to show you that this is a working concept. It is working for me, so I am now documenting my journey here for you to hopefully replicate this and see success like this. So I just want to take you through quickly some ways that we can use to earn passive income. First of all, we've got drop shipping, where we're obviously selling products on our e-commerce store. Customer places the order with us. Automatically our store places the order with the supplier. That's where the product is. Then the supplier does all the hard work and the deliveries. You keep your commission as the man in the middle. But obviously with drop shipping, you've got to deal with returns, unhappy clients. There's a lot more effort that goes into something like that. You've got e-commerce, where you sell your own products online. You can run an ad and you can sell products online passively through ads or through content, whatever it is. Then there's also drop servicing. But with all of those three, you've got to deal with unhappy clients, returns, complaints, and you've got to actively work at that actively a lot more. But what's golden about passive income for me is affiliate marketing with membership-based products. So what a membership-based product means is the customer is paying a monthly subscription for his membership of the affiliate product. So let's say the first month you get 5 clients. The next month you get another 5 clients. You're going to actually have 10 clients paying you every single month for the rest of life, for as long as they're on their product, which is a very, very powerful concept that I think a lot of people that are doing affiliate marketing wrong need to understand. So for those of you that are going out there posting and spamming your affiliate links for these little products and tools all over the place, stop that, because you are wasting your time. You're not going to earn anything from staying sustainable like that. This is the content that you should watch and the kind of affiliate marketing strategy that you should replicate to build a much bigger and greater passive income online business. And I want to show you guys something quickly that is very powerful. And I'm going to head over to YouTube. And before all of you guys that have this little thing against YouTube, I've seen the comments, people say, is there any other method that you can show me besides YouTube? This is not only going to be a YouTube method, but however, if you have a problem with YouTube and posting content on YouTube, I feel sorry for you because you are really missing out. And for those of you that say, oh no, I can't post on YouTube, I can't get views on YouTube, it is an excuse. And I think you need to let go of your negative mindset and actually understand how powerful YouTube is and how many lives it has actually changed. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type onto the search bar, let's go landing page builder, or best landing page builder. I think that's the best one to go about because that's obviously the product I'm in landing pages, funnel builders, that kind of thing. So I'm going to click on the search bar and you'll see right here, people are creating videos on reviews on the best landing page builders, the best software, the best landing page software of 2020. And you can see they're getting a good amount of views. So what they are doing is they basically do reviews and they have links in the description of their videos, which is a very powerful concept. It's a great way to get passive traffic. I mean, remember, YouTube has billions of users on their platform on a daily basis. So it's a great way to start. So let's say I choose this guy's video over here on the top 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on his description and actually have a look here. Here you can see, here are the links to these different websites. You can see he's got ClickFunnels, his Builderall link, he actually has his ClickFunnels affiliate link, lead pages, Thrive themes. So what he's gonna done is he's gonna sign up as an affiliate on every single one of these platforms, and he basically makes reviews of these platforms. And how he's making reviews is not different to anybody else. He literally goes to YouTube and he goes influence his ideas of other people's videos. He will literally go to YouTube and type in, let's say, Builderall review. He will literally copy that exact same information, make his own version or video version of that, and kind of make a compilation of that and review 5 landing pages at once and include the affiliate links in his description. And he's hit over 8,000 views so far on this video, which is a lot of traffic to these links. But this is just the beginning and surface level of what I'm actually going to teach you in this video. What a lot of other people are also doing is, for those that don't want to produce content, you can come over to Google, type in best landing pages, for example, and you will see, let's go 2020. And what these people are doing is they are creating simple blogs with free themes that you can import off WordPress completely for free. For those of you who are using Builderall, they give you a ton of website templates on the Pixel Perfect Site Builder. You can see a bunch of categories here as well that you can use to create blogs, rank that with SEO, do some Google research on SEO and ranking that up. You can promote that on third-party platforms to get a lot of traffic to your site, which naturally the Google algorithm will start to promote. And why I've brought up these two first is because, remember, producing content, if you really want to be ahead of everybody else in the game of whatever you're doing, if you produce content on a daily basis and you give yourself like 6 months to a year, you will build a big enough audience that will bring in a passive income from sponsorships, from affiliate offers that will probably pay more than what doctors earn. So for those of you who are against YouTube, who are against posting videos, that just want these quick ways to generate hundreds and hundreds of dollars online, I'm sorry, that's probably not going to work as well as this. Producing content is the best way to build a brand and to build a passive income business online. But what I can do is I can also give you a big head start, as I use 2 tools that not a lot of people know about when it comes to producing content. It's a big reason why I've gone viral, or a lot of my videos have gone viral pretty quickly. Is one tool I've been using is this one right here, which is a 3-click tool where you can literally rank your videos on YouTube by 3 clicks. You don't need any fancy Jedi SEO skills to do this. You can just use the tool, you copy the same titles, tags, and descriptions that this tool generates for your videos. Your video will then rank on the #1 page of Google and YouTube. So for example, if you type in Builderall review and you use this tool, you can rank #1 for that and get tens of thousands of views on that video. And this tool is currently $90, but if you want to get it 80% off to $27, $27, sorry. I'll leave my affiliate link down below where you can get access to this coupon. It's a once-off amount. You don't pay any monthly fees. It's once off. So what I'll do is I'll leave my affiliate link down below for you where you can actually get 80% off of this, which is really great. It's much better than $90. And then secondly, another tool that I've been using to get over 200% more views, where you can actually translate your videos into every single language in the world, meaning you're going to reach 200 to 300% more of a much bigger foreign audience. All the people that speak German, all the people that speak Spanish, Italian, French, Portuguese are all going to now see your videos in their search terms. So your audience is pretty much now every single 7 billion people in the world. That people that don't speak English, people that do speak English, because your video is now getting promoted on so many other foreign YouTube platforms and search pages. So let me give you a good example. My channel is the perfect example of creating review videos on Boulderall, on whatever affiliate offer that you want to, providing value, and the best way to actually grow on YouTube. And this is something that not a lot of people know about. It's actually just treating your audience like family. You have giveaways, provide tons and tons of values. They will be able to tell if you are just making videos to make money yourself, or if you're actually making videos to provide value. Like the information that I've provided in this video, okay, it's not like a full-on 2-hour in-depth course, but a lot of this information is something that people charge hundreds of dollars to sell. I'm here providing it for free on YouTube. But that is why I'm here as a foundation for you guys to get started with something like this. So literally what you can do is you can go to 30 other channels in your niche, influence their thumbnails, titles, tags, and just you can use a recording software like OBS, and you don't even need to speak in a mic if you're too afraid. I think it's better for you to climb out of your comfort zone and actually start something like this, because if you want to get to places that you've never been before, you've got to get out of your comfort zone and do things that you've never done before. So that's the best way to succeed online, is climbing out of your comfort zone. What I actually want you to do is go filter my channel by my oldest videos, and you'll actually see how cringe some of these first videos were. I actually had a earpiece in my ear telling me, with my own voice recording. I literally wrote down a script, I recorded that on a mic, and then I played that in my ears in some of these videos because I had no idea what to say. I had no idea how to talk confidently. These videos are just full of cringe, but that's how I started. I got out of my comfort zone, and like over here, after the first 10 videos, I got so much more comfortable, and my channel just started blowing up in videos because I was 10 times more confident, and now I'm posting on a daily basis here, providing real value for you guys. And at the same time, you're developing your own skills by producing content. You're learning yourself. You're developing your own high income skills, which is very, very powerful for building a successful and a well-branded business online. And like I said, for those of you that are probably going to dislike this video because it's just another YouTube method, you guys, I feel very sorry for you, because YouTube is a brilliant place to build a passive affiliate business. It is not oversaturated at all. There's literally hardly anybody in the niche of affiliate marketing in terms of actually producing content on YouTube. I produce content on every other single platform, but that's something I'll probably touch on in another video. Guys, the potential with something like this, you can see it takes one video to change your whole life on your channel, and it will bring in a huge amount of passive income, sponsorships from ads, and affiliate turnover from your affiliate offer. The potential that YouTube has to offer is really, really big. And if you're gonna say that you can't post on YouTube because you think you don't look the parts, you're too old for this, age is just a number when it comes to online entrepreneurship. And honestly, all of those excuses are just excuses. You have no excuse. YouTube is free. You can literally record with your phone and post onto YouTube. There's no excuse to not posting and building a brand with content. And I'm also giving you a big boost with these two tools. You're bound to get a lot more views with these tools and really grow much quicker than what I did. I wish I knew about these tools when I started with YouTube. Man, I would have been on 10 million subs by now. No, I'm kidding. But still, like, the potential of these tools and combining this with your channel is really, really big. So like I also said, as promised, I'm going to give you the giveaway to this ebook. So what I want you to do is I just want you to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message as well every time I uploaded something valuable like this. Leave a like on this video and comment down below that you've done so, and then I'll respond or reply to that comment with a direct download link to this ebook that you can download completely for free. But guys, on the screen I'm going to have 3 of my best playlists on how you can make money online, build an online business, and build an online brand, really packed with tons of giveaways, tons of value, very valuable information that I don't even think this should be on YouTube, but here it is completely for free. So make sure to choose one of these on the screen, and I'll see you there.